Hello. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of the features of the online learning tool Checkology. To start out, after you log in, Checkology will prompt you to set up a class and will generate a unique course name and join link for students to use to access your Checkology classroom. After answering a few questions about your class, Checkology will automatically suggest a course, which is a series of lessons and tasks that matches the age level and subject area you selected. You can choose to assign the suggested course, customize, or start from scratch. If you choose to customize or start from scratch, Checkology allows you to decide which lessons you want to include and what order you want students to see them. You can also determine if you want students to complete all of the lessons in order, or if you want them to be able to explore and complete lessons they choose based on interest. Lessons are available on a variety of subjects, and many of the topics can work for multiple content areas like English, social studies, media literacy, health, science, and any content area where students might be doing research and need to evaluate sources. For each lesson, there is a description and difficulty score, so you can select lessons that will work for your needs. Once a course has been assigned and the students have used the join link to access it, students can begin learning. Lessons are a mix of videos, graphics, text, timelines, infographics, and activities. The lesson platform guides students through the lesson and ensures they have experienced and/or interacted with the information in each section before they can move on. Directly in the Checkology classroom, students can engage in online discussion about their learning, can get feedback from you on tasks and activities they have completed. If you think you might be interested but aren't sure, you can explore and preview lessons on their website before you decide if you want to sign up. Thank you.